So there's no news today. We got the daily chart, and we see that, and in line with this swing low, the market is continuing to push higher, taking out previous candles highs, previous day's highs for this daily chart. We are currently inside of this imbalance, which is again what I want to see is price close above this, find some support, and then trade higher away from it. But for and I think that we have a little bit more room to expand higher. If it does want to continue going higher, I actually want to see it just go from here. If it is going to go continue, I don't want to see it close below here. So if it starts to turn around and trade below here, then we'll come lower.
And we have what, 15 minutes?
Yeah, Nasdaq. Let's see what this is. Okay, so this is an order block right here. So yeah, I want to see it expanding through here, possibly the midpoint of this candle's body. See if we can get up to the monthly gap opening, which will be around where this the midpoint of this closed candle. Let's see here. Yeah, so we want to see if it can gravitate towards here, get above this whole weekly gap and to this the monthly open gap, and again inside this mean threshold. So Nasdaq has been expanding. You see, yesterday it took out yesterday's low, and it's also traded above the midpoint of this down close week on this up close candle right here, this one, and now we are expanding. See this fair value gap right here that is currently heading into the opening of the gap is at 220. It's at 168 right now. So we should look for Nasdaq to continue to expand. As far as how far it can expand, it's possible that it could exceed its range. I think the range is, if it hasn't, it's close to it. Okay, so we got the average daily range up in at 355. So that's a nice little pop if Nasdaq wants to continue to go higher. If we can get the market to show some strong movement above previous day's high, we could look to take it up to 356. But the run is, with it already achieving its objective and the fact that we have just been continuously going higher, you look for some retracement. Probably get a retracement down into this area right here. And if we get something like this, I'll be willing to wait for that to take.
Is that a swing high followed by a swing low?
Where?
It was on the daily chart, and also it looks like it. On the daily chart,
no, this is a swing low. This is the last swing high that was formed up here. So this is a swing low, and this is a swing high.
Yeah.
So what are you asking?
I said that a swing high followed by a swing low, meaning that it will go expand higher.
Yeah. So right now it is expanding higher. It's not quite at the midpoint of the range yet, so it still has some room to trade a little higher. So that's why we could possibly looking for that 356 for it to exceed its range today. And if it's still moving higher, showing some willingness to trade higher, then that's what we'd be looking for it to get up into there. We do have market is currently consolidating right now at these highs. No sell side liquidity has been taken just yet, but again, we do want to see this. If it is bullish, I want to see this gap stay open, or at least if it comes and trades down into it, this could be somewhere where we want to see it find some bounce to trade higher. So if it comes back, if we get a move to the downside to open up the market, we'll be looking for it to come into here and possibly look for a trade away, going higher. Just Nasdaq, S&P. You can see S&P is a little lower. So right now it's currently consolidating. We actually did not get that run below last week's low either. So we still have this liquidity pool building up. ES being lower, and within its range. Lets me know that we could possibly get a stronger movement in the open session when the market opens for ES to catch up and look towards trading towards its high. But this isn't necessarily a swing just yet. It's a swing while the market, or as long as S&P continues to trade higher, it's a swing. But this candle is still open, so technically the swing hasn't formed just yet. We're getting some bounces here at this fair value gap right here. So you're gonna look for it to hold up until it breaks. We'll be looking for the market to come lower, because I still like sell side liquidity being target for this week. So this could just be a retracement followed by a down move. Wait and see how that plays out. And really, Nasdaq is also consolidated within Friday's range as well. So the markets are technically consolidating, but that's what we want to see for a continued move lower. We want to see it consolidating, so it continue to expand. So it's a good sign. I want to see if the S&P can get above the 50% level of this candle right here. That lets us know that it's still willing to expand higher. But yeah, S&P just really consolidating. So we have this swing. The market is currently consolidating right now. We had that run down into this fair value gap, which is a 4-hour imbalance. So we're looking for it to hold. Prices continue to go higher from here. And we're looking for, specifically for it to trade above its 4-hour open. Nasdaq is S&P is on the fence still right now. Look to see what we get when we open up. I want to see it grab towards this area right here though. Already getting the market running higher right now. Dow. So we see Dow's also low in the range. Dow's the only candle that closed lower than Friday's candle, so that's a good sign as well. I want to see if this is just a retracement and then Dow's going to continue to run lower. I think this is the weekly opening gap right here. So it's ran into the weekly opening gap, and we want to see it show some willingness to turn over and start trading lower. Yeah, that's the weekly opening gap right there. So right now we do have a swing low on this 4-hour. I want to see if the market can get back above the high of London session, and if it does and it can get through this area right here, then it can be coming higher. But this should hold price to come lower if it is going to come lower. So I want to see if that'll hold up in the Dow turn around, start to go lower. It's the one that's most prime to go lower, where it's at in this range right now.
Okay.
But if it gets back above 50, if it gets back above 52,305, then we got a bullish day in Dow as well. So we'll be looking for that. Russell, same thing with the Russell. I want to see the Russell turn around. I think the Russell was also okay. Russell had an inside day yesterday as well too. So I want to see the Russell gravitate towards these lows. Possibly come here. And here. So if we get Russell to turn around, we'll be looking at IWM come lower. Market's about to open up. Russell just created a swing high, so we want to be seeing the follow through at 7 o'clock for it to continue in the direction coming lower. So market is open. So we got that run up into that fair value gap area. You got the Dow starting to trade higher. You want to see if Nasdaq can get back above this 178. We get back above, looking to go long. $6.35. It's a little early. All right, you can take a trade in QQQ. You have to move fast because it's moving fast. It might come lower though because the run higher. This run higher. I don't trust it. I would want to see it come lower a little bit more. So you said what?
The dollar is trading up. In my review of the charts, I saw Q coming down, so and the dollar going up, and then when it opened, they both did the opposite. But I feel like they're going to do what they do in a second.
And we get close back below here, then it's coming lower.
Okay, so we're gonna do a put for Q.
Let's wait for it to close.
Okay.
All right, it's 20 seconds. Next 20 seconds. QQQ is a good short as well right now. I mean, not QQQ.
S&P.
No, we're not taking out a low just yet, so we're waiting. We got this trade below these lows right here, but the market has come back above them. So now we want to see if it'll trade below this low or we're taking this high and then we're gonna go higher. S&P looks to be taking that low right now. No, it's not anymore. S&P is not trading back above this imbalance right here. It's holding up right now. The Russell is starting to trade lower. And I think YM is about to start going lower as well. Yep. YM is a good trade for the Dow, rather. S&P also. 640. We can look for a setup in S&P right now.
Okay.
So go to SPY.
Bye.
We're gonna wait for it to come back. All right. I want to see it come back into this red box right here. We can get that trade back into that red box before this low is taken. Then this is our trade right here.
Okay.
Come on, bro. We're about to fucking win. There you go, YM. YM and IWM was the better shorts. They were more primed to go lower. We could possibly still look for a short in it though. If it takes that low, then yeah, it's going. All right, so we're getting a retrace back into 75.25, 75.11.25, 75.12.50. I want to, or as soon as it goes 75.11.50.
I was supposed to wait until it went back, retraced back up to get in. I was waiting for that. Okay.
Come on with this consolidation.
Okay, so a little bit.
All right, we get our movement. Stay heavy here. Nasdaq and S&P are moving lower. I don't like the fact that S&P is not moving. It's consolidating right now.
Yeah, and the dollar's coming down.
Let me see the turn over here.
Reversal.
What would it feel?
Cut that trade.
What would it
Look at
feel?
it.